Think remote work pays peanuts? Think again. In today's video, I'm going to break down 4 highly lucrative video editing jobs that you can work from the comfort of your couch completely remotely. Without further ado, let's jump into the 4 most in-demand, high-paying jobs you can work remotely. Let's get into it. So what's going down, everybody? My name is Jack. Welcome back to the channel. Now, there has been a huge shift to online work because of a big event that happened back in 2020. Now, due to certain keywords, they don't like me saying what happened back in 2020, but you can use your imagination, and as long as you're older than 3 years old, which I assume most of you guys watching this will be, you'll be able to remember what happened back in 2020, and since then, there's been a big shift to remote work. Now, remote work is good for us as freelancers because we can essentially build a income off the back of a laptop, and we could travel anywhere with it. I've worked poolside on my laptop and made thousands of dollars. I've been able to travel to nice locations all around the world and maintain a consistent, respectable salary off the back of freelancing through the internet. And today we're going to break down the 4 most popular and most in-demand jobs that you can work remotely. And that means getting it online and keeping it online. And as long as you've got a laptop and an internet connection, you can make some money. These are also diverse categories. There's some of you which will love number 1, and you're already doing number 1, some of you. There's some of you which will have just heard about number 4 and will be able to dominate number 4. So not only are these 4 lucrative jobs, actually some of them are better for, one profile of you. Others might benefit from one of the other jobs on the list. So there's diversity here, which is fun. So without further ado, let's stop being elusive and let's talk about it. Number 1, social media video editing. I've started with the vaguest one, or the most obvious one, if I will actually. Fact, social media video editors often work with a range of clients from small businesses all the way to influencers. Yes, that's how people in VP Plus are maintaining a very consistent salary, is they're tapping into the influencer economy on the internet and they're landing high-paying jobs. Now, these salaries can range between $40,000 to $100,000. We've got people in VP only making, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month. We've got people making $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 a month editing social media content, right? These are Instagram stories, TikToks. You could have gaming clients. You could also have more professional, like big budget real estate clients or marketing clients, etc. In this day and age, doesn't matter what your business is, what your goal is, you need video content to get the message out there and produce a result. You can be the individual who taps into that work online. Let's share some experiences. Every single one of these jobs I'll back up. So I hire editors every single month to edit short form content for me, to make highly produced, well-edited short form content. I've also been hired by big marketers who want to get a message out there, or who want to sell a product, or who want to achieve a result, to be creating content for them and building their social media content strategy. This is not limited to TikToks and Instagrams. This could also include YouTube videos that the marketer is using to rank on search results using SEO, using other marketing tactics, and get the word out there about their business. Social media content creators are easy to land if they have a top of funnel business, aka real estate clients I've worked with have been some of the easiest to land based on the simple fact that they have a high budget product they're trying to sell. They have a mastermind that costs $5,000, $10,000, and through our content that we make for them, they're able to sign more people to their mentorship, which means they have an underlying business that exists, aka they can justify investing in content because they recognize the more social media content, the more money coming in their pocket through conversions. You're using SEO, you're getting those videos ranked, you're putting out marketing content that they can benefit from and gain some substantial results. Next up, let's talk about one of the easiest jobs I've ever done in my entire life. I was paid well over $1,000 for simply editing a template. I downloaded the template from Envato Elements, I reskinned it with the brand's details, and I was paid a considerable wage. Right now, I always love to use this as an example, and believe me, I've referenced it dozens of times on this channel because it shows the kind of low-hanging fruit that can exist in the video production game. In 2024, there are software, SaaS companies, there are apps, there are all sorts of internet companies that would love animated promo videos in the form of a laptop demo, maybe it's a product showcase. You can build this content in a very easy way through pre-made templates on the internet or through your own intuition. It's completely up to you. I've used templates, right? I've gone and pieced stuff together with a variety of templates. You can do it however you want. I actually hire people to make animated stuff for Video Production Plus all the time. Another fact for you, demand for animated video content has increased by 30% in the marketing sector. 30%, that's a considerable percentage. Maybe you're watching this video and thinking, Jack, freelancing is cool, but you have no career progression and you're gonna hit a wall. Maybe you've been freelancing for years and you feel as though you're not going anywhere and you're stuck in the exact same position you were last year and the year before. Some of my students inside Video Production Plus were just as skeptical as you in terms of the long-term career progression that freelancers can actually benefit from until they joined Video Production Plus and found out about how to scale through an agency model. Inside VP Plus, we will help you take your freelancing freelancing income, maybe $3,000 to $5,000 a month, and take it to $10,000, $25,000 plus a month and scale your career from a freelance individual into a business and an agency. Not only do we have students inside VP Plus who've done just that, gone from a freelancer into an agency making 5 figures monthly, we also have mentors like Cami C who are running $25,000 plus a month creative agencies who have courses in VP Plus breaking down exactly how they did it and exactly how you can do it as well. Link down below to VP Plus. Join us, and inside you'll be able to take your freelancing career that isn't really progressing and turn it into a business and an agency that you can absolutely scale into multiple 5, even 6 figures per month. The projects aren't the most exciting in the entire world, but they're well paid and you can land them in 2024. We know they're in demand. Next, let's talk about a different type of promo video, right? This is one that is not animated, it's formal, right? But I've worked dozens of these, right? Whether it's a car promo video or a flooring company that needs to make an animated video or a church who wanted to get some Sunday service message out there. I forget exactly what it was. I've been able to make countless promo videos for businesses through the internet because, again, they want to share a message. Business promo videos can be massive. Every single business needs to market, right? Whether it's in the form of an ad or it's in the form of a promo video that they put out through their own social media and don't run as an ad, promo videos are undeniably a great in-demand piece of video, and we know it pays very well, right? I've been paid very well to create promo video content for businesses, whether it's in the form of animated or a physical real-life promo video. They all work. I'm gonna give you another fact right now. Why not? Because I'm feeling generous today. I'm gonna give you another fact. I'm not gonna charge you for it. Maybe the next fact I do, but this one I'm not gonna. Business promo videos are crucial for companies' online presence, leading to a steady demand for skilled editors. Obviously, that's a fact, because how could a business get the word out there? How could I get the word out there about VP Plus? Promo videos. Simple as that. Someone's editing them. It could be you, which leads us perfectly into the final form of content, which is video sales letters, lead magnets, and marketing videos. The internet is the Wild West now, baby. There's a whole bunch of people with a bunch of different offers, some of them complete hucksters and scammers, and some of them with real substance and undeniable value to deliver. Everybody needs video content in the form of a video sales letter or a lead magnet or some kind of marketing video to actually get the word out there. So let's go ahead and use myself as an example, right? I'm actually an ex-freelancer, now an agency owner and, online platform pusher, essentially, and education platform creator. I am in need constantly of new marketing videos, whether that be lead magnets, right? That I now have my community edit, pay you guys to create lead magnet videos for our website. Someone could download the lead magnet and it results in them signing up, right? Because we're giving some free value to get them to come into VP Plus. Or whether it's a video sales letter. Video sales letters are the predominant form that an internet marketer uses to establish credibility, establish substance, aka they can see the person, they can hear them, but also just get their message across in the best medium possible, which is video and audio, right? You can hear me right now, right? It's clearly more impactful than written. So video sales letters have gravitated to be their own niche. Video sales letters are so in demand, not even just through freelance websites, but just direct to online marketers. You can go direct to an online marketer with examples of a video sales letter, with examples of lead magnets that have converted. If you can put data to it that it's actually driven conversions, your deal was even more valuable. But ultimately, these marketing videos in the form of video sales letters, lead magnets, ads, etc., are highly, highly, highly in demand because everybody's trying to sell something today. And again, partnering with business people is a much better strategy because they have a business which can fund you. Working with gamers, working with kids has been one of the toughest things ever. And I personally don't do it anymore because they ain't got any money. Even if they love you and they love your services, they actually can't afford to pay that much for it because they don't have a business attached to the content. Here's some actionable tips on actually finding those jobs. One, you should be building a personal brand on social media. If you join Video Production Plus, you can take the blue path. This is a risk-free strategy to, at the very least, build a personal brand and at the most land some of the biggest creators in the entire world as your full-time clients, just like our students inside VP Plus have done. I encourage you to join VP Plus and take the blue path just to get access to this strategy. So actionable ways to find clients, certainly get access to a bigger network, certainly get access to more success stories. But outside of that, you can be tapping into outbound leads, aka crafting an offer, putting your own video sales letter together, or creating content that positions you as an expert on the internet and attracting inbound leads to you through your content. You can also go to freelance websites. I don't encourage you to do that. There's just too much competition. If you look at like an ocean metaphor, it's a red ocean. There's so many sharks in that ocean. They're eating all the fish. There's no fish left for you and I. Freelance websites are usually not something I push people towards. Some people have varying success, but usually that's not an area I would say you should be targeting. Outbound, crafting an offer, going to a client, or inbound, around creating content that positions you as an expert and attracting clients to you. Both of those strategies are easier inside Video Production Plus. But I'll tell you what right now, if you guys want to join VP Plus, I'm going to put 5 codes active right after this video. The word high paying, all one word, will be a 20% off code on VP Plus for your first month. Get the first month 20% off, and come join our community and start learning outbound and inbound firsthand from the people in Video Production Plus, and take our courses, which between you and me make it easier. Simple as that. They just do. So that right there is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, I want to direct you to this video on the screen right now. This is a good continuation. This is actually 15 jobs. I put this together last year, but if you enjoyed this kind of 4 money makers, this video here is going to be absolutely perfect because it's 15 jobs. So it's a good continuation. So click it. I'm going to jump off your screen. 3, 2, 1. See you there.